Here is my Alcayota or Alcayota squash. These are great on stir fried. They're delicious. They grow pretty fast. This one in about 2 or 3 days it's gonna be double that size, so I can fry it. There's another one, and that one is almost ready. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that one. And then another one going. Hopefully they have. A lot of them I like them because they don't get powdery mildew. They're resistant to powdery mildew, and they produce here in California even when it's hot. So I love these. Thank you for watching. They also have a great taste. It's like buttery. One of the best squash tastes for stir fried. Thank you for watching.